Welcome back to Spectrum News. I'm Tara Hershaft. A Gold Star wife who's raised 5 children after the death of her soldier husband 12 years ago had a wonderful gift presented to her Thursday evening. Dodie Callahan received a repaired car, a vehicle that was refurbished by some brothers in arms of her deceased husband. Spectrum News reporter David Ivey brings us the story.
3, 2, 1.
This unveiling will be a wonderful memory for Dodie Callahan and her 5 children. You see, they've earned the right for that kind of memory because they've endured more than a decade of hardships.
It's been 12 and a half years and 12 and a half long years, which kind of some days feel like yesterday.
Dodie Callahan became a Gold Star wife in 2007. Her husband, the father of her 5 children, Sergeant First Class Keith Callahan, was killed while on deployment to Iraq with the 82nd Airborne. But after that horrible loss, she has persevered, raising her kids by herself and currently working on getting a nursing degree. But that's not easy.
Well, it's tough. It's tough, but you got to do what you got to do. So, you know, I am a Callahan.
Well, that kind of determination inspired Caliber, Collision, and State Farm to do something to help this family. They got 16 men to rebuild and repair a car, and after thousands of dollars in donations, the finished product would be donated to the Callahan family. Those 16 men are service members, brothers in arms to Sergeant First Class Keith Callahan.
It doesn't matter what branch, you're kind of like all in a brotherhood. You all know what everyone's going through, so when something like that happens to a family, you know, and you're able to do something to give that something back to them.
Our friends that don't make it, and because it's wonderful.
It's okay. It's all right.
I don't want to cry.
Like I said.
After the unveiling, there were tears and laughter, but overshadowing everything was a Gold Star family's strength.
No matter what we face, we get through it because we are a family.
In Fayetteville, David Ivey, Spectrum News.
That car reveal happened before at Segra Stadium before a baseball game for the Fayetteville Woodpeckers. Devin Callahan, Sergeant First Class Keith Callahan's son, threw out the first pitch at the ballgame.